So children, it is autoimmune disorder. Already you have studied what is autoimmune disorder. You know that auto means self. Self antibodies, own immune system produces antibodies against our own proteins. You know very well, immune system should produce antibodies against pathogen. Kada? Antibodies against pathogen. But here, it is producing antibodies against our own proteins. So already in junior inter you have studied it is autoimmune disorder. Junior inter in the sense in January month I think I explained immune system lesson. So what happens? What is this? It's a muscular problem. So take muscle fiber, you know very well. Neuromuscular junction, you are having idea. Like a new axon terminals, synaptic knobs. And in front of the synaptic knob, you know, muscle membrane show a small depression. That is motor end plate, already you have studied. We have done this. And here it consists receptors, isn't it? What are these receptors?
ACH receptor.
Receptors for acetylcholine These are receptors for acetylcholine. Already you have seen that video also. So motor end plate, sarcolemma consists receptors for acetylcholine. Isn't it? And you know the remaining process like nerve impulse is transmitted along the axon. And here synaptic vesicles are present. And they release neurotransmitter acetylcholine and it attaches here. And it is dipolar membrane, sarcolemma. You know this membrane is sarcolemma. So sarcolemma is depolarized, you know, and it is transmitted to transvestibules. Calcium ions released, and rest of the story already you are studying from 1 month. So what happened here in this disorder? Antibodies, I'm using different color here, green color. Self antibodies are produced against acetylcholine receptors. Means antibodies are produced against these receptors. So these receptors are blocked. Antibodies interact with that protein and these receptors are blocked. So try to understand in exam what they give. They don't mention receptors. Simply they say in myasthenia gravis it is autoimmune disorder and self antibodies are produced against acetylcholine. They stop there. But it is not against acetylcholine. Acetylcholine ante deeniki antibody should produce against this neurotransmitter, not for that. Antibodies produced against receptors, so that receptors are blocked. Then what happens? Once they are blocked, there is no place for acetylcholine attachment. Already it is blocked. So acetylcholine cannot attach. So nerve impulse is not transmitted to the muscle. So muscle cannot undergo contraction. Simple. So what happens? What happens here now? Because of this problem, what is the condition? It is leading. Yes, it causes chronic means long run, long time. Chronic progressive damage. Progressive damage. Chronic progressive damage of neuromuscular junction. Neuromuscular junction. Chronic and progressive damage to neuromuscular junction, leading to fatigue, weakening, and paralysis. Paralysis of skeletal muscles, of skeletal muscles. So this diagram helping you to understand the disorder. An explanation you know very well. Nerve impulse transmitted up to neuromuscular junction. From synaptic knob, neurotransmitter acetylcholine is released, which attach on the receptor, and it is transmitted inside so that calcium ions release, which allow the muscle contraction. It is a normal condition. But in myasthenia gravis, it is an autoimmune disorder. So immune system produce self antibodies against our own proteins. So our self antibodies are produced against acetylcholine receptors and they are blocked. Once they are blocked, muscle cannot undergo contraction. So what is the problem? That person shows chronic means long run. It takes long time. Chronic progressive damage to this neuromuscular junction, which is leading to fatigue, weakening, and paralysis. These are signs or symptoms. Over. Now, next, put heading. Next disease, muscular dystrophy. Next disorder also related to muscle, that is muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy. This means difficult. Trophy means feed, food. Okay, try to understand the meaning. So, when there is no proper nutrition to the muscle, muscles are reduced, you know very well. Just imagine when no food, what happens to the organism? They become weak, all the muscles reduced and visible outside, isn't it? So muscles are reduced, body completely reduced. Okay. So what is the problem here? Simple, in Hindi we say sukudna or sukjana. Telugulo em chepta endipovam. Endipovam means no food. Completely muscles and tissue, everything is reduced. Okay. Of course, it is two types. Nutritional. If it is nutritional, we can correct it simply by giving good food for them, vitamins, minerals, and all the proteins, good amount of carbs. If you provide, then it is restored. Problem can be rectified. But most common is genetic disorder. What is the name of this genetic disorder? Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. Name of the disorder? Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. It's a genetic disorder and it is most common type of muscular dystrophy. What genetic disorder it is? X-linked recessive disorder. X-linked recessive disorder. Note down. X-linked recessive disorder. Completed? You know about X chromosome, isn't it?
Yes.
So here, male children, male have only one X chromosome and second one is Y chromosome. And this X is inherited from
Mother.
father.
Mother.
Y from
Father.
Father.
if it is female child,
XX.
X
X in X
from
chromosome.
Mother.
mother and another X from
Father.
father. You know very well in the egg, inside the nucleus, DNA will be there. And this DNA condensed into 23 chromosomes. I think you know the condensation of DNA. You have studied already. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Mitosis. You can see chromosomes only during mitosis. You know that or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining time DNA is in the form of chromatin network. And the same DNA undergo condensation. Say this is chromosome like twisting around, condensing, twisting around and condensing to form a chromosome like structure. Idigondi, suppose say this is chromosome, my finger, chromosome. How chromosome is formed? Twisting of, condensation of DNA.
Chromatin.
DNA condensed to form a chromosome. ఇలా అనుకోండి ఇది నా ఫింగర్ క్రోమోజోమ్ అనుకోండి and how it is formed? Condensation of what? Chromatin network, nothing but condensation of DNA. Understood or not? So here, these chromosomes are formed, 23 chromosomes from mother's side. Those 23, 22 autosomes and one X chromosome. From father's side, in the sperm, inside the nucleus, 22 autosomes if it is with X chromosome, girl child. Ledu. From mother, 22 chromosomes and X chromosome, and from father, 22 autosomes and Y. Then male child is born. So always we inherit X chromosome from
Mother.
Mother.
mother. Of course, girls will have 2 and boys have only 1. Why all of a sudden I'm discussing about this disorder and X chromosome? Yes, it is X-linked recessive disorder. Yes, suppose say as it is DNA, do you know what is gene? Any idea about gene?
Yes, ma'am.
What is gene?
Genetic or hereditary material.
What part called as gene? Okay, listen. A stretch of DNA, listen all of you, important. A length, or you can say stretch of DNA. I'm drawing a stretch, a particular length of DNA, a stretch of DNA you take. Okay? A stretch of DNA. Which carry information for, which can transcribe into mRNA. And you know very well, this mRNA, when ribosomes are attached, Kada, ribosomes attached on mRNA and help in protein synthesis. Protein synthesis occur on the mRNA, isn't it? And that protein will be a structural protein. Maybe it is an enzyme. You know very well all enzymes are proteins. Some of the hormones are proteins. So from where these proteins are formed? So tell me, maybe structural or enzyme or a hormone. Protein can act as an enzyme, can act as a hormone. Insulin is a protein hormone. All your enzymes are proteins. Your muscle proteins, recently we have completed actin, myosin, collagen, and your hair, nails, keratin. All these are proteins. So they are structural proteins. So body is constructed with proteins. Enzymes perform metabolic activities. All these activities are regulated by hormones. All they are proteins. And proteins formed on
mRNA.
Japanese mRNA. And mRNA is synthesized on
DNA.
DNA. And that particular stretch of DNA is called a gene. So gene nothing but a stretch of DNA which is carrying information for a protein. Then how it passes that information? It gives mRNA, and mRNA participate in protein synthesis, and that proteins construct your body, perform the metabolic activities as an enzymes, and also regulating your metabolism as a hormone. So total your life is maintained with proteins. And proteins formed from mRNA, mRNA formed from DNA, and the DNA we are getting from what happened? Why you are not
Parent.
answering? Parents. And the same DNA when it is condensed, it gives what?
Chromosomes.
Chromosome. So you could see chromosome only during mitosis or meiosis. So suppose, okay, back after this basic idea, all these information is your basic information to understand the disorder. Yes, this Duchenne muscular dystrophy disorder is a genetic disorder. It is X-linked recessive disorder. Then where it is present on X chromosome, yes, this particular DNA which can produce here what protein? Dystrophin protein. Dystrophin protein is produced, and this DNA, suppose somewhere here it is occupying its place. Its position on X chromosome is that place, upper arm, P arm. This part is called P arm. P continuation, this part is called Q arm. So in the P arm, in this region, this DNA occupies its position. So this position, this particular gene is dystrophin protein gene. Dystrophin protein producing gene. Nothing but DNA, which can give mRNA and which can give this dystrophin protein. So it is occupying its position on X chromosome. So dystrophin gene which can produce dystrophin protein. So how many copies are there for a male child? Boy? Why today, why you people are quiet and calm? Emandi, why you people are not responding to me? Rama,
Yes, ma'am.
Gangaraju, Varshita,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Sriman. What happened? Why you people are not responding? How many copies are there in male? Did I put
23.
anything on Y?
No, ma'am.
I'm asking gene copies, not chromosome copies. Only one copy.
Yes.
Dystrophin gene is somewhere here. Dystrophin gene is somewhere here. How many copies in girls?
2 copies.
That's good. Understood up to here?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you?
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
get 23 chromosomes from father, 23 from mother. If it is XX, girl child. If it is XY, boy child. Okay, good. And what are these chromosomes? Nothing but condensation of DNA. And what is
Yes.
gene? When this DNA express
Stretching of
mRNA, a stretch of a DNA, carrying information for a protein is called gene. Of course, we have 2 meters long DNA. All the
Yes.
DNA is not a gene. Try to understand. In every cell, I said every cell in its nucleus, 2 meters long DNA is there. 1 meter we are inheriting from mother and 1 meter we are inheriting from father. When this 1 meter condense, how many chromosomes from mother? 23. How many chromosomes from father? 23.
23.
So total 46 chromosomes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 2 meters long DNA is not a gene. Try to understand. Gene is that portion of the DNA which is carrying information for mRNA and which can produce a protein. What protein it is? Here we are taking example dystrophin protein. What's its position? X chromosome. How many copies in male? Only one
One
copy.
copy.
How many copies in female?
2 copies.
And all we people here, almost 87 are there in our class, including me. All we are normal. Any agda tagda good muscles are there? Any reduction in the muscle?
No, ma'am.
Anyone from our class? All are beautiful, handsome, good looking. I know you very well, all you people. I can remember our class, full of beautiful
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
No problem at all, by God's grace. Because this gene is normal. Genes from our parents are very, very perfect, normal. Then what's the problem? Any mutation in the gene, defect in the DNA. Defect in the DNA is called mutation. Automatically the defect in the mRNA, automatically defect in the protein. Then it leads to Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is more common in male. Out of 3,000 male, one may have the disorder, but not at all seen in female. Out of 3,000 ratio, check the ratio. Even of course it is not common in male, but seen only in male, not in female. Why? Yeah, good. If one copy is defective, other copy is there to compensate the problem. So
Yes,
it's a
ma'am.
recessive gene, X-linked recessive disorder. If one copy is there, it cannot be expressed. So not common in women, seen only in male. That too, out of 3,000, one may show this. What is the problem? Defect in the gene. Automatically defect in the protein. What's the gene name? Dystrophin gene. What's the position? X chromosome. How many copies in male? Only one.
1,
How many copies in female?
2 copies.
And it is common in male,
Males.
not seen at all in female. Why?
Female.
If one
2 copies of this property.
if one copy is defective, another copy is there to compensate, to balance the problem. So mostly seen in male, that out of 3,000, one male. Understood up to here? So what is the new thing you learned today? What is gene? Stretch of
Stretch of DNA.
which carry information for mRNA and can produce protein.
Protein. Yes.
So that particular DNA is called gene. How much long DNA we are having?
2
2
meter.
Meters. 1 meter, 1.1 meter from mother, 1.1 meter from father. Through sperm, we inherit from father. Through egg, we inherit from mother. That DNA when condensed to give chromosome. So genes are present on chromosome. Nothing but chromosome is a condensed part of DNA. So dystrophin gene is occupying X chromosome. As it is X-linked recessive, single copy cannot give any disease in female because another copy is there to express the disease, balance the problem. Okay, now let us see what is the function, what is the disease. Idi anta basic, I mean, what you can say, knowledge about the disorder. Okay, what happens? What is the function of this dystrophin protein? Now note down. Idi note చేసుకున్నారా?
Yes,
Yeah, muscular dystrophy, nutritional, of course, it can be rectified. And another type is, most common type is genetic disorder. And it is X-linked recessive disorder, Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. And males have only one copy of this gene, dystrophin gene. It's a defect in dystrophin gene. Males have only one copy because they inherit only one X chromosome from mother. Females have two copies. What is the problem? What is this disease? Defect in the dystrophin protein. Dystrophin gene is on X chromosome. Males have one copy, so most common in male. Out of 3,001 male. Females have two copies. So another copy normal, then no disease. What is the function of this dystrophin? It's a structural protein. It maintains integrity of the muscle fiber. Particularly sarcolemma. I'll show you what happens. Particularly protects sarcolemma. Let us see, let me show you how. What is the really problem? What is the problem? See, throughout the life, we are contracting our muscles. Continuously, we are standing.
yes, ma'am.
And we are moving our hands, moving our tongue, lower jaw. Continuously, we are moving our eyeballs and closing, opening our lids, neck muscles, back muscles on which we are sitting and standing. Anni continuously. Your heart muscles continuously started in the first month of pregnancy when you are in your mother's womb. First month it started its function. Till death it works, continuously contracting, relaxing. Even while we are talking, we are moving our diaphragm and we are respiring. So without muscles, all these activities are not at all possible. So try to understand, and you know very well already, you have studied muscle contraction. Yes, same once again, recollect that in the muscle head, myosin head, holding actin, and contracting. Kada. Pushing it
Yes,
towards,
ma'am.
pulling it towards
Yes, ma'am.
H zone.
H zone.
Contraction, relaxation,
ma'am.
contraction, relaxation, contraction. Even we are doing so many, muscles are undergoing contraction while I am explaining lesson to you. So try to understand, suppose if I take a muscle fiber like this. This fiber anukondi. Contracting,
Yes.
relaxing, contracting, relaxing, contracting, relaxing. Enta అయిపోయింది, చిరిపోయింది. కదా?
Yes, ma'am.
But this, our muscles are doing that throughout our life.
Yes. Yes,
So
ma'am.
contract, relax, contract, relax. But our muscles are not undergoing this type of problem. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this integrity of the sarcolemma fiber is maintained by dystrophin protein. Very important role it is playing. Even though lifelong we are contracting, relaxing, sarcolemma never undergo tearing.
Yes.
But defect in this protein, defect in the dystrophin protein, causes tearing of
Sarcolemma.
sarcolemma. Tearing of sarcolemma. Understood? Understood what's the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
sarcolemma chiripotadi. Why dystrophin protein defect? Defect in the gene.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a defect in the gene called? Mutation in the gene. Why only male child are getting problem? Only one copy is there. So what happened? 2 to 5 years, they remain normal. 2 to 5 years, the child remain normal. Slowly, progressively, they show,
Tearing of muscles.
yeah, tearing up.
Cardiac muscle is not functional and they die.
Yeah, first you go through this. After 2 to 5 years, slowly, their leg muscles, shoulder muscles are paralyzed. Okay. Neck and
Yes,
back
ma'am.
muscles. So they should take the wheelchair. Then cardiac muscles and respiratory muscles are also paralyzed, and it leads to death. So their lifespan is only 20 years. From 14 to 20 years, age from 14 to 20 years, anytime they may die. Why? Because once cardiac muscles and respiratory muscles are paralyzed, it leads to death. So what is the lifespan of that male child?
14 to 20.
Maximum 20.
Yes, ma'am.
So note down all of you. Even muscular atrophy is there. A means absent. Idemo difficulty of food aite. Food absent. Atrophy. Wasting of muscles due to the nutritional problem. Atrophy. A means absent. Trough ante feeding. Food. No food. Without food, how muscles look, you know very well. Weak muscles. Of course, rectified. If it is nutritional, provide good food. Like last class only we are done. Protein, energy, malnutrition. Marasmus and Kwashiorkor. Yeah, in that they show wasting of muscle. Wasting means sukurna, sukjana. Yeah, shrinking, reduced muscles. ఎండిపోవడం. హిందీలో చెప్తాం. In Hindi, sukjana. Completed. May clear board?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Fast, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nana.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, next disorder, tetany. In January month only we are done human diseases and immune system. Am I correct? Yeah. So during that time we have discussed difference between tetany and tetanus. Can you recollect what is the difference? I explained you already. చెప్పండి ఎవరికి గుర్తుందో. Tetany, tetanus. You should know the difference.
Lockjaw, no?
Amma?
Tetanus is lockjaw.
Yeah, lockjaw. How it occur?
It's a disease, a viral disease.
Viral. Lockjaw viral. ఈ పగిలిపోద్ది.
Ma'am, it is caused by bacterium.
What's the name of bacteria?
TPT
Tetany.
Bacteria name.
Clostridium tetani.
Clostridium tetani.
Clostridium tetani bacteria. So it's a bacterial disease. Then what is tetany? Muscle cramps, and it is due to calcium deficiency. Important.
And shrink up usually.
Hypocalcemia.
Hypocalcemia.
Hypocalcemia. See, anytime you put suffix emia means related to blood.
Related to deficiency.
Deficiency కాదు. Blood. Anemia. Hypodeficient. Hyper means more amount. Hypo means less amount.
Less amount.
Hypocalcemia means less amount of calcium in blood. Low calcium levels of blood. Note down. Then why same sound is given both sides? Tetany, tetanus. Because symptom is same. Muscle fiber undergo wild contraction. Remain sustained. Remain and sustain and same. But remain, or you can say sustained in a wild contracted condition. Right now, that's the main important point. Sustained in, nenu cheptunnanu wild, not mild. Careful with the spelling while you are giving exam. Check the point whether it is given mild or wild. If it is mild, what is the condition called?
Tetany.
ఈ పక్కది మళ్ళీ ఒక్కొక్కరికి నేను ఇంటికి వచ్చేస్తాను కర్ర తీసుకొని. మైల్డ్. అరే లాస్ట్ వీక్ ఓన్లీ ఐ టోల్డ్. Muscles are in a mild contracted condition. ఏమంటాం? Tonus, tonicity, muscle tone. ఇది mild. Muscles never relaxed completely. They remain in a mild contracted condition, that is muscle tone. Idi wild. So careful whether it is M or W. So remain, or you can say sustained in wild contracted condition in both the disorders, in both the diseases is the same common symptom. Note down all of you fast.
Ma'am, and what
I can't hear you. Broken. Cheppu.
what is muscle spasm?
Spasm means also, it is also a wild contracted condition and due to deficiency of calcium, that is normal. Spasm also is the same thing, but generally we use it for smooth muscles. Nana, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Spasm anna ade same contracted condition, but generally we use that term for smooth muscles. And you know the difference between striated muscles and smooth muscles, isn't it? Nana.
Yes.
So all these three disorders related to muscle. First one myasthenia gravis, second one Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, third one tetany, and of course infection by Clostridium tetani bacteria, tetanus. Over.
Yes.
Now skeletal system disorders. Last class I explained about the joint structure. Synovial joint we have completed. This is one bone. It's another bone near joint. And they are covered by articular cartilage, which is made up of hyaline cartilage. What is the special feature here? For articular cartilage, what I told?
Elastic. Perichondrium absent.
Yes, perichondrium is absent. When perichondrium is absent, what happens? Repair.
No
right?
nutrition.
Good. Articular cartilage means cartilaginous covering around the bone, particularly near the joint, not completely bone, only the edges of the bone where it is joint. Okay. So here you write down it is made up of hyaline cartilage. And what's the special feature? Without perichondrium. Without perichondrium. So no power of what? Regeneration and repair. No down, no down. And this is joint capsule, already you studied. So first is the basic idea. Articular cartilage near the joints, bones are covered by articular cartilage made up of hyaline cartilage without perichondrium. So they don't show power of regeneration or repair. So what we are going to study because of this particular feature. At old age, we develop joint pains. So age-related problem it is. So what's the name of the disorder? Osteoarthritis. I told you arthritis means joint. And anytime you put suffix itis, itis means it is indicating inflammation. What are the symptoms of inflammation? Pain.
Rubber,
Yes, rubber,
gather and
color, duller. Color means increasing the temperature. Duller means pain. Rubber means reddening, isn't it? Swelling, reddening, pain. All these together called as inflammation. And to indicate inflammation, we add suffix itis to the structure. And arthritis means, joint. Osteo means bone. So bones near the joint, they show inflammation, and it is age-related problem. As our age increases, slowly this cartilage undergo wear and tear, and it cannot be regenerated. And what happens? Suppose,
bones rub.
yeah, this bony tissue grows into that region. To compensate that loss, this bony tissue grows into that region. And both bones come in contact with each other. And the person who is suffering with this disorder, he feels like both bones in the joint touching each other, like cut. They feel, they feel that cut feeling will be there. Both bones touch each other because osseous tissue, bony tissue grows into that place where cartilage is lost. And so what is that disorder named as osteoarthritis, age-related problem. Old age people suffer with this. That lost cartilage part is compensated with bony tissue. So they feel pain in the joint and difficulty to move that joint. Of course, nowadays the joint replacement therapies are available. Yeah, surgery. By surgery, they remove that part and replace with artificial structures made up of cellulose, plastic. Total part. Idi anta remove chesestaru. Next time I'll try to show that video. Idi remove chestaru, then it is covered by a cap. Em cap, maybe that plastic or polymers which are not allergic to the person. Adi chustaru. Cellulose generally. Completed? Now next put gouty arthritis, or also simply called as gout. Gouty arthritis. Say gout. Means what? What is the problem here? You know very well synovial membrane secretes. Yes, this
Synovial fluid.
joint and yeah, synovial joint encloses synovial cavity lined by synovial membrane, you know, and this synovial membrane secretes synovial fluid. And what is the function of that synovial fluid?
Lubrication, protection against shock.
Yeah, it should be greasy, creamy, kada? It should be like a grease, decreasing the friction, acting as
Yes.
a lubricant. But in these people, this synovial fluid get deposited with the uric acid crystals.
Kidney problem, no?
Yeah, kidney problem. Kidneys are not properly filtering out uric acid. So sodium urate salt, uric acid crystals get deposited into the synovial fluid and it loses its lubricating function. Means solidified. Done? So what is the doctor's suggestion? Generally, it is again aging problem, obesity. Doctor suggests them to take or not to take animal protein. Arre mutton, chicken tinadam manendi cheptaru. To take less animal protein. Simple, they ask them to stop taking animal protein. One should not take much more animal protein because that forms uric acid crystals in our fluids. Okay? We are not carnivores, we are omnivores. So our metabolism allows the formation of this uric acid and get deposited in the fluids. Gouty arthritis, particularly in the synovial fluid, are also simply called gout. Happened, Nana? So two more are there, osteoporosis and rheumatoid arthritis. Tomorrow we'll discuss and I'll continue with the nerve impulse transmission. New lesson. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank